Morning, students. I hope you all are well, healthy, and fit, and enjoying your holidays. In the last lecture, we talked about adaptation to behavior and adaptation for protection. In today's lecture, we will talk about animals in danger. Basically, endangered animals and extinct animals. And we will also talk about the reason why animals become endangered and why they disappeared from earth. As we know that adaptation is very important for the survival on earth. As the any animals it's not accept the changes that occurring on the earth, then that particular animal become extinct from the earth. Let me give you an example. Million years ago, dinosaurs were living on our earth. They do not exist anymore. One reason could be because dinosaurs could not adapt to changing climatic condition. As the dinosaurs could not adapt to changing climatic condition, that's why these animals completely disappeared from earth. So adaptation is very important for the survival on earth. So now let's talk about endangered animals. There are some animals whose lives are in danger. They are close to disappearing from earth. Such animals are said to be endangered animals. For example, tiger, gorillas, sea turtle. These animals are endangered animals because these animals are present in a very few number. That's why these animals said to be endangered animals. Why these animals become endangered? There must be some reason. So let's talk about some reasons why animals become endangered. The one of the biggest reason why animals become endangered is destruction of habitat. Humans are directly or indirectly responsible for the animals becoming endangered because humans cutting down forest in search of places to live or to fulfill their needs. In this way, humans are taking away homes and food of animals. Just because the animals cutting down forest in search of places to live or fulfill their needs, they animals taking away homes and food of animals. If the animals not having a proper food and homes, that's why these animals are becoming endangered because food and home is necessary to survival on earth. If you are taking these two things from the animals, then the animals becoming endangered. Second reason is pollution. Just because of pollution, the changing ecosystem and rising temperature is responsible for the endangered animal. Just because the humans cause pollution, just because of this pollution, the changing ecosystem and rising in temperature, just because of the rising in temperature, the most of the animals is not feel comfortable in this temperature. That's why these animals becoming endangered animals. Third point is hunting and fishing. Just because the humans hunting black rhino and tiger hunted for their skin and for their horns. Just because of that, both tigers and black rhinos are endangered animals because humans hunted these animals for tiger for their skin and for black rhino for their horns. That's why these two animals are becoming endangered animals. So these are the reasons why animals becoming endangered. Now let's move forward to extinct animals. The animals that already disappeared from the earth are considered to be extinct. For example, Tasmanian tiger, great auk, dodo bird, beige white dolphin, sabre-toothed cat. Great auk, white dolphin, Tanzanian tiger, sabre-toothed cat, and dodo bird. These are the animals becoming extinct animals. Once they were present on the earth, but now they are completely disappeared from earth. The reason of the reason why the animal disappeared from earth is its same reasons why animals become endangered. So the reasons why animals become extinct is destruction of habitat, hunting and fishing, pollution. Just because of the following reasons, the animals first they become endangered, and after, when these animals are not protected by the government or by the humans, then these animals disappeared from earth. So it is our responsibility that we make less pollution and cut less number of trees to protect habitat and make the environment clean. If these things remains balanced on the earth, then the animals will also remain on the earth and remains safe, because as we know that humans and animals both are interconnected to each other through food chain. If any animal or species is removed from the food chain, then it will affected the whole food chain. That's why it is important that we should protect all the animals that present on our earth. This is all about endangered animals and extinct animals. Hope you all understand this topic. This is the last lecture of the chapter How Animals Survive. I'll give you a one worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet in your previous year science notebook. Thank you.